Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben, and today is another exciting little trip. We took a trip to Texas, and we're out having some fun, and we actually visited someone that uses YouTube that's 92 years young. And Jack LaLanne is one of my mentors. I love Jack LaLanne, and she's of his era, and she still uses YouTube to this day. She lives there in Dallas, Texas. Well, let's take a look at Patty. We're searching Eben oil on YouTube, and look at the searcher. It's Patty. And Patty,
What?
tell them how old you are.
I'm 92.
92 years young, and she's on YouTube. She's surfing
I'm
YouTube.
on YouTube, and I'm getting ready to get Eben oil.
Look at this guy here. Look at him. Who is that guy?
Okay, no.
And there he is.
Click that one.
Synthetic oil
Up or
protection.
down?
Just in the middle.
The middle one.
Yep.
More ads.
Skip the ads. You know how to skip the ads?
No.
Dental coverage.
How do you get to skip the ads on this even?
That's an excellent question.
Oh, look down there.
Yeah, I see
Yeah,
it.
hit the middle thing. And that's,
You know how to do it. There you go.
There he is. There's that guy.
And there's the
Oh,
score.
let's hear.
Today is the best part of the month. That's Eben's end of month giveaway. We're giving away $1,000, $1,000 to you.
Where that
So
guy
$100
is.
in gift cards.
Eben oil.
Giving away 10 of those gift cards.
She's consumed.
And one person's going to be getting $200, so it's going to be special. So we got our good stocking stuffers here, and I always recommend grabbing a case of the Upper Cylinder lubricant if you're making your orders this holiday and you don't get to $100 to get free shipping. Grab yourself a case of Upper Cylinder. This protects your rings so you have better compression. You don't have ethanol separation. You'll make more power, smoother idle, and it actually more than pays for itself in fuel mileage savings. So it's definitely worth just grabbing that case. Well, let's head inside the synthetic oil protection machine, and let's go ahead and do the giveaway. Hey, and if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe.
Where is that a wig?
No,
Go right on ahead and tap the subscribe button right here.
that's his hair.
And then you're going to see this little bell. That's the notification bell. And what that does is it allows this to give you a little ring on your phone when I publish a new video. So when you do that, that will actually give you a notification. That way you can leave a comment on any of my videos within the first 3 hours, and I randomly select people. All right, so you saw Patty at 92, and she's going to live longer and stay stronger. And if you want your car to last longer and run stronger, AMSOIL is the way to go. And like a lot of people on the channel always say, an ounce of cure or should I say an ounce of prevention is worth 100 pounds of cure. And basically it's just an old saying that preventative maintenance, your car will always last longer. And it's like Patty, she took care of herself. She made it to 92. And Jack LaLanne used to say, you don't get old from old age, you get old from inactivity. So if you don't work out, you don't get your blood flowing, you just die on yourself. It's like having a car. One person might think that this Mercedes, this is a 2013 SL 550, someone might say, well, that's an old car. Well, to someone it might be old. To me, it's a brand new car because I did all the fluids on it. I mean, it downshifts so fast, and all the fluids are changed on it, so it's like taking care of your body. So if you want to take care of your car, all my links are down in the description section below. You can click show more, and you'll see all my info. When you use my link, I'll get the credit. I'll always be your AMSOIL dealer, so I can answer all your questions on the products. That's what I pride myself on, and I spend about 70 hours a week doing it, and I'll always be there for you. Hey, and if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Go ahead and tap this little button, and then you're going to see the notification bell. You're going to go in here, you're going to allow it all the settings in the badge, you're going to go back and you're going to click this bell and you'll hit all notifications. That way you'll get a notification when I publish my next video. And as I always say on the channel, loving and giving makes life worth living. And the more you give, the better you live. And so Patty can use YouTube at 92. So can you, and so can a lot of your friends. And it'd be great if you can share this video with them. Take a look. This is the giveaway from last week. Eben's 1K giveaway. We gave over $1,000 away on the channel. This is one of my last videos. And then if you say, well, how to share, all you do is click this little button, share. And then it'll pull up a couple options for you. I think we're off the internet, but all you do is click that. You can share on Facebook, Instagram, all your favorite social media platforms. And then what I always do is I always copy the URL up here, and I just go copy, and then I just copy the top URL of the video, and then you can actually text it to someone or you can email it. So that's actually the best way, is just to copy and text the actual URL. And if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. You can tap that little circle right here. Check out some more videos on protecting your vehicles up here. These are a lot of the AMSOIL products, cleaners and protectants. And we're going to continue doing the cold flow tests. We'll see you back right here on synthetic oil protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.